This is the latest version of the highway code. This is essential reading for all drivers, in fact all road users, and you need to know this thoroughly to pass your UK driving test. So I advise my pupils to read the highway code from the front cover, literally all of it, to the back cover. And on the back cover it gives you some advice about updating your knowledge on the highway code, mainly for drivers, qualified drivers, but who may be out of date. On the top here we have a number of versions of the highway code. So I was learning to drive and passed my practical driving test on this second one, the green one with the arrow saying keep to the left in normal driving. So that was 1969. So that's the one I had to learn, and then I was instructing on this next one with the correct lane usage on roundabouts, which was 1978. So that's the one I used most of the time, and you can see all the various versions we've got up to this latest one that we are using today. So it says here, when did you last read yours? That's the highway code. Everybody should have one really. For over 80 years the highway code has been the official guide to using the road safely and legally. It has contributed enormously to road safety and better journeys, and it could do so even more if everybody actually read it and followed the advice in it. However, every day on average 5 people are killed and around 70 people are seriously injured in roads collisions. So it's important as ever that all road users, including drivers, motorcyclists, cyclists, horse riders and pedestrians, should update their knowledge of the highway code. So in this version we have the latest rules. They update it because the laws do change, and the failure to observe any of the provisions of the highway code might be used as evidence in legal proceedings if you've had an accident, to decide who was responsible for the accident. And the highway code for life, not just for learners. So everybody should know, remember and apply the highway code, which unfortunately is sadly lacking.